So Henry Corbeck, we're a family and employee-owned business, originally established in 1893 on the Newcastle quayside. Business has a number of activities, the core one being the supply of over 1,500 products to fish and chip shops and independent fast food outlets across the north of England and Scotland.
We use Business Central for sales, purchasing, finance, account kind of back office functions, and warehousing and transport too. So it pretty much runs our entire business. Interestingly, over the last 6 years, whilst our revenues have increased by over 50%, our headcount has risen minimally over that period, if at all.
Plastipack are a manufacturer of bubble material that is used for water storage or pool covers.
So we manufacture around about 6 million square metres of pool material every year, and 90% of our products are exported. So we've got quite a global reach in the products that we sell. So Business Central has allowed us to streamline a lot of processes in-house. There's been a lot of paperwork that's now disappeared as part of the Business Central project, where previously we had 4 or 5 documents that were produced, effectively producing the same information. This has allowed other members of staff within the business to be able to concentrate on other things such as generating sales, reducing costs, or providing added value to our customers.
Charlton & Jenrick are the second largest manufacturer of fires and fireplaces in the UK. We produce approximately 30,000 appliances a year. That is gas fires, electric fires and wood-burning stoves, and some fireplaces as well. So to manage that, we need a very comprehensive system to help us do that. So Dynamics 365 is very helpful for us in managing the growth of the company. In the old days, it used to be a case of employing more people, whereas now we find if we work in smart ways, where we're looking at what the system can do for us, we can actually be much more efficient and grow with less cost.